Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Krystal, and quit wiggling. And yeah, I'm gonna French braid my hair. So y'all wanna hang out while I do it? This isn't gonna be a toot. You can watch me do it. My hair is just honestly dirty, and I do not feel like washing it today, and I don't want to put it in a ponytail. So I'm gonna French braid. I may not show both sides. I'm probably just going to show you this side and then do the other one off camera. But little rubber bands. I don't care why, like, what these say about being ouchless, but if you get one of these in your hair too, like, I don't know. Sometimes they're not ouchless. That's all I'm going to say. Like, quit lying to us. I'm going to part it, honestly. I don't care what the back looks like. Also, if you can hear stuff falling, I think it's Max downstairs dropping his toys in the floor. Okay, so the side I'm not currently doing, I'm going to take a scrunchie and I'm just going to, well, magic trick. What in the heck just happened? My brain went dumb, I guess. Anyways, and then we're going to start. Let me see. Maybe I can sit like this, look in the mirror, and then you can see like the side of my head, and then I will zoom you in just like a smidgen. Also, don't judge my nails because they look terrible. It is what it is. Okay. So what I do is I'm just going to start with a section like so. And then normal braid. Then you're going to take this one, add a little bit to it. If you're in a hurry, add a lot of bit to it. Then grab some from the back, put it with that piece, braid. Then we're going to get a little bit more. And I just continue to do that. And yeah, if I'm really feeling like getting a really nice one, I'll sit here and really take the time to get teeny tiny sections. But I don't really care. I'm running errands today. I'm not really. A lot of times if I'm braiding my hair and I'm going to wear it all day. Rosie, do you mind? And I'm going to wear it all day and then like sleep in it. So really? Are you good? So I have waves the next day, I'll really make sure that I take like teeny tiny sections and take my time and make sure that it's like uniform and all of that. But, hi ma'am. Hi. But since I'm just going to be washing my hair tomorrow, or even tonight, and this is just for today, I don't care. Also, I just realized you can't see shit because my arm's in the way. Hi, honey. Oh, goodness, you just hit your head on the desk. Are you okay? And you get to see Gus. Just dog cameos today. My hair is so dirty. Okay, so I got it done like last week, I think. And I can't even remember. Time blurs together. So I got my hair done recently. I don't remember exactly when. And obviously when this is going up, it won't have been that as recent. But anyhow, I got my hair done and she did an Olaplex treatment on it. And yeah, so I waited a couple of days to even wash it, and I've only washed it once since then, and I can tell that that Olaplex treatment is still hanging around because my hair is like getting really oily really fast, which isn't a bad thing. I'm not complaining because, can you get down? Okay, so I switched to the bottom. And I switched the way my hands are so I can braid this. And you're just going to braid this like a normal braid. Hi, bud. Can you go in your room, baby? You just braid this part like a normal braid. And depending on how much hair you want hanging out at the end, I'll probably just do mine right here. If I'm wanting to have waves, if I'm wanting to like sleep in this, leave it in there and have, you know, take it out and have wavy hair, I make sure I braid as far down as possible. And then you just do that. Now, I normally try to loosen up everything a bit so it doesn't look as tight. So I just kind of like grab the braid and, you know, just do a little wiggle. If you have, like right here, these pieces are a little too short, so I'm just going to pull those out, like these little baby hairs. Pull those out. If you have like this little piece that's not wanting to cooperate, I'll just like bobby pin that. So I'm going to grab a bobby pin. Do I have one? You would think that since I've had blonde hair for so long, I would not own any dark bobby pins anymore. I do. And those are always the ones that I can find. And then just bobby pin that back. No big deal. And then there you go. It may not be perfect. Obviously, I can do my daughter's hair way easier and way quicker. I mean, braiding someone else's hair is always easier in my opinion. And sometimes I need a break in between sides of doing my hair because my arms and my shoulders are tired from holding them in a weird position so long. But yeah, so you can take these little baby hairs, you could curl them if you wanted to. I think it looks better when they're just straight and they just look like natural. But that is what we're working with. You can also kind of move your rubber band down a little bit, give yourself some space, and then you can really loosen up this part of the braid as well and like really get that messy to give everything a more lived in look, you know, make it look more like, oh, look at me, I woke up this morning and I just, you know, was my hair. So I'm going to go ahead and do the other side and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So I got this side done. One tip I will give you is whenever you're pulling, like getting the hair from the inside of your head to braid the side you haven't done yet, like the second side, make sure that you are like really reaching over and getting any hair that may have like jumped over to the other side, because I've done that. I've done, you know, my braids before and then felt back there and there was like one little like clump of hair that had like laid over here and wasn't in a braid and I had to take down one side. So that, yeah, nobody wants to do that. So I'm just pulling out equal, like a pretty equal amount of hair on this side for that. And then I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just going to kind of like loosen up. My right side is my easier side to do. I guess maybe because I'm right-handed. I'm not really sure. But yeah, this side is easier for me to do. And then we're just going to kind of loosen up everything. Make it look really lived in. And not like a fresh... I don't know. I've always been that person that like when I do like a bun or any kind of like updo or braid, I want it to look messy. I want it to look lived in and not neat and nice and neat and like slick. I don't know why. I just have never liked that. But here it is. Super easy, really cute. Like I said, you can sleep in it, wake up the next day, take it down. You'll have waves in your hair. I might possibly sleep in these tonight. And you know, because I'm going to wash my hair tomorrow, so I might sleep in these tonight, but I'm not going anywhere tomorrow, so I won't really need the waves. But anyways, here it is. If you want an in-depth tutorial on how I do it, let me know, in one weekend I will film myself doing my daughter's hair so I can make sure the camera is like pointed so you can see everything I'm doing. So just let me know in the comments down below if that's something that you want. Otherwise, thanks for hanging out with me while I braided my hair and all of that. I love you. I hope you're having a wonderful week so far. And yeah, just God bless. And if you haven't subscribed, please do that before you go. You can also check out the links in my description box for my Instagram and my TikTok, so you can follow me over there. I'm pretty funny from time to time, so, you know, go check that out. I love you, and I will see you next time. Bye.